Ahoy Voyagers and bienvenidos from San Juan, Puerto Rico.
San Juan is a beautiful, vibrant, and celebrated vacation destination. And whether you're visiting for the incredible beaches, delicious cuisine, and rich history, or you're booked on a cruise departing from San Juan, Condado Beach is the perfect location for your stay. With gorgeous views of Laguna del Condado, as well as the Atlantic Ocean, and only 3 miles from the Old City, the Condado Plaza Hilton and Garden Inn are an amazing choice for your stay, and we're going to show you why. So here's the room. As you can see, it's nice and bright and really spacious. We've got the king-size bed. Looks really comfy. Tons of light coming in from the floor-to-ceiling windows. We have a nice vanity, or you could use this as a desk, and also a lounge area with some fun art on the wall. Now let's check out this balcony. And wow, we have an amazing view of Laguna del Condado. And it's all set with 2 chairs and a little table for your coffee. The space is modern and clean, really nice flat screen just above the vanity, and a small area to hang stuff up. Now here's the bathroom. Really bright. I love the light in the mirror. We got a walk-in shower, nice little mosaic tile on the floor, and of course Hilton provides you with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So again, this is a king bedroom at the lovely Hilton Garden Inn Condado. We were given an amazing Laguna view room, even though it wasn't specified as such, and I would highly recommend this hotel to my friends or family, and of course to all of you Voyagers out there as well. One of the big pros of staying at either the Condado Plaza or Garden Inn is beach access to Playa del Condado. It's a small beach but has a great vibe and gentle waters thanks to large rocks that break up the incoming Atlantic waves. This location is also great for exploring Old San Juan. We were able to use Uber, and rides into the Old City and back averaged about $7, which made it really easy to skip the car rental. Historic and awe-inspiring locations like Castillo San Cristóbal and San Jose Church are literally right next door. One of the cons of staying at the Condado Hilton is we really didn't love the food we had on site, but the Starbucks was a welcome convenience. Now don't get me wrong, there are places to get a good meal over in Condado, but we recommend hopping over to Old San Juan to enjoy some delicious, authentic food and drink amongst its historic surroundings. And lastly, the Condado Hilton is plenty close to the cruise port. Again, we utilized Uber and had no problem getting over to the port in less than 10 minutes. Uber definitely seems to have you covered down in San Juan. I know visiting Puerto Rico for the first time might feel intimidating, and we hope this video gives you some insight and perhaps the confidence to book your stay at the Hilton Condado Beach if you so choose. Thanks for watching. Please like and make sure you're subscribed to follow along, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!